Namaskar, welcome to KALPURUSH Astrology. Today we shall discuss about a chart of Astro-Palmistry of Guru Arji Rao, and today's video will be completely in English because lots of students are requesting that they do not understand Hindi and they want it in English. So today's video will be in English. So in Astro-Palmistry, what we actually we learn how to make the use of palm and the bar chart, both. In some cases, we are used to take the Kashyap Hoda charts also, the Hoda rod, the Hoda chart, because the Prashna chart or the Hoda chart and the bar chart, these two are our basic needs that every astrologer wants. But if suppose a person do not have any bar chart, then what will happen? Then the Kashyap Hoda chart or the Hoda chart or the Prashna chart and the palm, these are our weapons. We used to predict through these, and these are our excellent predicting tools. And palmistry will help us in all the ways. If we know the birth time of the native, then also palmistry. If we do not know the birth time of the native, then also palmistry. Palmistry itself is a prashna chart, because the lines of the hand, palm, they used to change frequently. You have seen when someone having some severe economic trouble, then his Venus mount or the Venus line, there are black spots and black dots. But if the person recovers from that financial trouble, then that black spots or the black dots disappears. How this happens? Because actually the palm is a prashna chart itself. So this technique that BNN along with the Kashyap Hoda, along with the palmistry, totally which we want to reveal, we will go and reveal in our next course, Astro-Palmistry course. And this course will be a game changer. This course will be a milestone for many astrologers, many astrology students, because from this course, what we'll learn how to make use of both the situations. When the native was born, what is the condition, and what the native at present, what will be the prediction. See this chart, it's Guruji's chart. I am sharing. Let me share my screen. Yes, this is Guruji's chart, right? In this chart, you can see the Saturn, the Karma Karaka, having Mars in the 7th, right, in the birth chart. Saturn is placed in Pisces, having Rahu in the 2nd. And also Moon and Rahu are in trine. So Rahu, Moon are conjunct. They are inimical to Saturn. Also Mars inimical to Saturn, aspecting from the 7th. So what will be the career of this person? Very difficult to start either, or he may be in a mechanical institution, or he may be in some instruments with some machineries he can work, or he can work in automobiles also, because Rahu Moon is the motion and Mars is the machineries. So this is the bar chart. Mars Rahu Moon might be some instrument related to water or manufacturing of something, that also shows by Rahu Moon and Mars. Rahu Moon and Mars shows many things, but here you can see that the Rahu is placed in the Aries and it is second to Saturn. Aries is the point of debilitation of Saturn, right? Aries is a sign of debilitation of Saturn. And when Saturn goes over Aries in its progression, it will find that deadliest enemy, Rahu and Moon. So you can easily say that this person will have lots of troubles in his professional life, or he will be engaged in some mechanical or some machinery related works. Simple. Now this is the palm of the native when the native came to Guruji. Here you can see G, the fortune line, which we used to say in the in other palmistry world, and it is said the Saturn line in the BNN palmistry. Fortune line on the Saturn line starts from the G, and the Mars line starts from the H. You can see this is the dragon head or the Rahu. So Mars having Rahu in its 8th sign. It is shown here. Next, Mars and the Saturn, they are connecting at the point O. So HO and GO, these two lines are connecting at O. So the native having the Saturn and the Mars, they are aspecting each another in the natal chart. Now, this Saturn line is thicker and then it becomes thin and it is divided. So this thicker Saturn line shows that the native will work with some old materials or old instruments, because thick Saturn line shows that the work will be something old. So here, this native works as a mechanic in a vehicle company where the old vehicles are repaired and they are doing business with that. So you can see that from seeing the bar chart and the palm, it is very easy for any astrologer to come to a specific conclusion that this native will do this and he will have this. So this is a predicting technique of astro-palmistry, and it is completely a very, very interesting science. I request all of the viewers to please you learn astro-palmistry, especially those who will interact with the clients in the chamber. Also in online, it's the photo of the prints of the palm sent to the astrologer, but who deal the astrologer directly 1:1 in the chamber or in the office, it is must for them to know the astro-palmistry. So I will request, there is a unknown treasure. Maximum people are not aware about it. It's a great, great opportunity for us to learn and to make use, 100% use of it, so that we can be a very, very good astrologer. So this video is dedicated to my Guruji, Guru R.G. Raoji, and I will request everyone, learn BNN, Viganandi Nadi, that is created by R.G. Rao, not created by other, because it's a science 5,000-year-old. R.G. Raoji made it transparent, predictable, and clear. He brought it to in front of our eyes, so we can now learn and we can now predict through it. So everything is about R.G. Raoji, and everything is about the BNN, only and only R.G. Raoji, no other than R.G. Raoji. I think I have made it clear what is the purpose of learning this great, great stream. So we'll meet you very soon in the next video. Om Namah Shivaya. Joy Ram Krishna.